Let's make this cute daisy puff flower together. First, make a magic ring. Work 6 single crochets into the ring. After making the first single crochet, place a stitch marker in this stitch so you don't lose your starting point. Continue working the remaining 5 single crochets into the ring. Then, join with a slip stitch. Now, take your new yarn color and insert your hook into any stitch. Chain 2, yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch and pull up a loop to the height of your hook. Yarn over again, insert your hook into the same stitch and pull up another loop. Repeat this 5 times in total. Now yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook. Chain 2 and slip stitch into the next stitch. That's our first petal. Now repeat the same steps around the flower to make all 6 petals. And there we have it, a beautiful daisy puff flower. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you in the next one.